Hello everybody, James again from KSTHL Labels. Today is Saturday again, and I hope you will get a wonderful weekend with your family and friends. So how to understand the sticky and soft feeling of our woven labels? So there are often customers who can't exactly express the effect they want. So this happened to me so many times. Customers always asking, so James, I want small labels or I want a soft labels, but actually I can't understand what's the exact quality they want. So after detailed chat with customers and I asking some information about their products, so almost I know what the customers really want. So silk labels use the satin labels. We call the satin labels, and the satin labels feel very smooth, but not soft. That's different. And satin labels are commonly seen on ladies' dress. For example, the neck labels, neck of the dress, like this part. The neck labels such as skirt and sweaters and are often used by satin labels almost for the ladies skirts or sweaters like this. This anawardil is made by Satin. You can see this. The hand feeling is very soft. This also Satin. So soft labels almost made on Damask labels. We call it Damask also. So how to make a label feeling soft like baby skin? So that is very important. So this is very high for our materials, or means the quality, dense, also engineer master requirements. So the yarns must be 30 dinars and with a weft density 120 or more. So this will make a label soft. Actually, so like this one. Like this one is very soft labels. So the weft density also very high. Like this one maybe 130, and the yarns we used 30 dinars. Actually, any materials labels can achieve high quality. Either Satin labels, Damask labels, so the real best labels should match our products. So which quality suits our product's basis? That's very important. That means is not. So I do the best quality, so that is the best label. So no, that's right. So what is your products? So we have to check in your products. Then we should to match a best label for you. So the best for your products, that is the best labels. Thank you so much.